Alright, hi, this clip is to show you how to identify if the z or t value you calculated is in the critical region. In other words, significant finding. First, we need to understand that in the standardized distribution, the mean is always 0. Right? Going to the right direction, the value is positive and is increasing. Left, negative, and decreasing. So in Z or T test, we examine whether the mean difference between two groups is bigger than a certain number of standard errors. Okay, in other words, if the mean difference is big enough, it's less than 5% chance that these two means are from the same population. If that's the case, the T or Z value you calculated should fall in the critical region, and we reject the null hypothesis. So this is how you decide if the value you calculated is in the critical region or not. Let's take t-test as an example. So suppose you check the t-table and the critical value is 2.145. You should first draw a distribution, right, like this, right? And then identify two things: the mean, which is always 0, right, and then the critical value, right? So 2.145, where is it? It's about right here, right? Because it's 2 and 3, so must be between 2 and 3 is about here. 2 point, sorry, it's not really easy to write, but yeah, I do my best. Yeah. Important note though, there are in fact two critical values, not only positive. Don't forget the negative one. Okay, so yeah, two values, one is positive and one negative. So where is the negative one? Must be between -2 and 3. So it's about right here. Write down -2.145. Okay. All right. And then highlight this area. Okay. Anything beyond this point, this critical value right here, or beyond this point right here, we call it critical region. All right. All right. Now, the next is to identify where the value you calculated is located. Okay, just suppose, if the value you calculated is negative 2.20, then where is it? Of course, it's negative, so it must be in this region. And 2.20 is between 0 and this critical value, or beyond this point. 2.20, you should know it's about right here, right? X negative 2.20. So this value is in the critical region right here. Now, if it is in critical region, then we reject null hypothesis, and that means it's a significant finding. These two group means are significantly different. Okay. Now, how about the value of 1.95? 1.95. Okay. So we need to identify this value. Where is it? First, it's positive, so it gotta be right here. And then where is it on this line? It's between 1 and 2. Must be, right? So 1.95. It's about right here. 1.95. And is it in the critical region? Probably not, because critical region is beyond this critical value, right? This right here. Because it's not in the critical region, so we fail to reject null hypothesis. That means this two group mean difference is not significant. It's not a significant finding.